They are, in fact, unconditionally talking about themselves. That's why you have to really know who you are when you come across these type of people, because when they project onto you, you can easily take that on as who you are if you don't know who you are. When narcissists project, they tell on themselves and tell you who they really are. They dump all the things they don't want to deal with on you, like undesirable traits, flaws, feelings, and actions. They are revealing how they think and how they look at the world. They are paranoid and suspicious of everything. So they believe that you are trying to do to them the same things they are trying to do to you, because they like to manipulate people with lies and twist the truth. They think you are also being untruthful and deceitful as well. hmm Because they viciously enjoy bringing someone down with devaluation, they think that when you complain about their abusive behavior, that you are trying to make them feel bad, because they like to use people to build up their ego and always desire someone new to keep their ego fed. You know, they don't love or don't know how to love or whatever, but they do use that word love. They think you use the word love in the same manipulative, shallow, and conditional way they do. They see the world as where kindness and trust will be taken advantage of, because that's what they do. So, when a narcissist project onto you, the content of the projection usually reflect the projector's own traits, feelings, motives, or fears, though it's presented as if it belongs to you. They project onto you whatever they don't like about themselves or find difficult to face. Projection is a defensive social tactic. Instead of acknowledging an unacceptable impulse, flaws, or anxiety in themselves, the narcissist pinned it to you to protect self-image, manipulate perception, or deflect responsibility. Projection by a narcissist is essentially them talking about themselves through you. The language they use reveal their insecurity, behaviors, or intentions, reframe as your traits to protect themselves and manipulate the situation. Treat such statements suspiciously. Verify facts and respond with firm boundaries. Set yourself free. They're not trying to build anything safe for you or a relationship or anything with you. They're just simply trying to build a cage to trap you in. Get out. Stay out. Go no contact. Going no contact denies them control, point blank, period. Because in reality, you hold the power of allowing them in your life or back in your life. They don't hold that power, you do. And stay silent. Silence isn't weakness, it's strategy, it's strength, it's healing. It's the sound of you finally choosing you. And your silence protects you. So just be silent. Your silence and your distance is powerful, more powerful than you think. They have already taken enough of your life already. They will never be satisfied. There's no pleasing them. That's their programming. It's not your fault. It never was your fault. It never will be your fault. It's just all about conditioning and being in control. Till next time, continue to seek clarity on what you may be going through in all of your relationships. It will help you to recognize their manipulative behavior early on. To learn more, click the link in the bio and purchase you a copy of Healing from Narcissists. Big print, easy read, uplifting affirmation. And start your journey of healing the parts of you that attract the narcissist in your life. Start building or continue to build a life that does not include them at all. And I do mean at all, y'all. They can only reach you at a low vibration if you allow them in, because low vibration is bait for narcissists. That's why they have to tear you down, pull you down, bring you down low so they can reach you. You have to be willing to learn how to raise your vibrations and keep those vibrations up. They can't reach you up there. That's only if you want to attract real good people, real humans with souls. And remember, you are worth any investment it takes to heal beyond their reach. And I'm going to always say it. High vibrations is beyond their reach. They can't reach you up there. It's too high. Stop surrendering your power and choose your peace. Listen to your gut and trust your intuition. Till next time, grab you a copy. And congratulations to being difficult to manipulate and gaslight. Till next time, like, comment, share, subscribe, and come on back if you're watching on YouTube. Because remember, you have to be willing to heal before you can shift to the best version of yourself. It's not easy, but it is worth it, and it is very, very necessary. And thank you for watching. Till next time,